Right, so we're on our last field now. It's been a good day actually, working with both contractors. We're back just finishing off with Chris Audrey's lot. They've been a big help today, as they always are. Yes, it's not too bad. This is our just last bit. This is a hell of a crop here though. It's a monster crop. Over where I was with Graham Wells, it wasn't as good as this. It's still alright, it'll do. But like, this is going well actually. It's just about caught this at the right time. But yeah, I'd just like to say thank you to, Audrey's lot. That's Ryan's on the forager. We got Lusty on the JCB. Got a few trailers on, so we got Shaky, Bungalow, or Leggy if you want to call him Leggy. I got Mark, my cousin. We got Phil. We did have Bradley on earlier when we were on the longer haul as well. Obviously we got Tom who works for us. He's been on the pit today, which has gone. We've had to fill both pits actually. We've had so much. We've had to fill both the pits, which is surprising. I'm trying to get around here. Yeah, I think I've said everyone. I can't really remember who was on. But yeah, it's going pretty well. get my coat down and then you can see what's going on a bit better. Oh, not meant to have a radio on, that was naughty. Whoops. But yeah, they're all running in John Deere's with Richard Western trailers. I've got the Fendt with the NC trailer on. They're reasonably good. I don't have fat tyres like they do, the flotations. So sort of, it's a bit harder for me to pull it through the ground. But along the roads, it's a lot better. Because you've got just a skinny tyre and it whizzes along nicely. What's he doing? Has he broken his aerial? Oh dearie me, oh dearie me. There's a bit of a jumble up going on. Broken his aerial. There we are. Right, so we go up and tip this off. Nothing that I'll do for today. I've done a fair bit of filming, so I'll be alright. Hopefully it's all come out alright, because I had it outside and my GoPro wasn't working with my phone very well, which was a bit annoying. But, you know, you got what you got. I don't really know what you've been seeing. I think you might have been looking at my hat just then. Most of that. It'd be a shame. But yeah, no, it's going alright. So I think this is pretty well Maize 2016 done. For us anyway. I know Audrey's lot have probably got a fair bit left to do. But, you know, it's alright. It's going too bad. But yeah. That'll do for today, and hopefully I'll be back next time. Cheers guys.